So this is the Cookology tumble dryer. I was pleasantly surprised at how small it was. It fits nicely under the cupboard. And actually it's got a really big drum. Oh. So I got 2 quite large kids towels in there, plus a load of underwear, pyjamas and just general clothes. And it's dried this in about an hour. That's bone dry, ready to come out now. That right at the back of the drum is the lint filter that you clean, and then it's got a secondary one here which you can just pull out. It's a bit new, so it's quite stiff, but yeah, you just clean that out and it pops back on here like that. But overall I'm really happy with it and I think it looks really nice. The delivery, I should say, was really quickly as well. It wasn't actually due until tomorrow, and it came with DPD a day early, so yeah, well worth the price, I think.
There we are, airing off, and it's only small, and it's got handles, and you can move it about, and it came with a vent. I mean, you'd have to get a more substantial one, because it is only cheap, that vent, but for what I'm going to use it for, I'm really pleased with it. It's there, and that's it in action.